To get healthy, glowing skin as a man, wash your face and body once or twice a day with gentle, moisturizing soap. Apply a moisturizer that's made for your skin type to your face and body once a day. Once a week, buff your skin with a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. If you have acne, try an over-the-counter acne cream or ask your doctor to prescribe one. Since sun exposure can damage your skin and make it age faster, wear sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 anytime you go outside. Your overall health can also impact how your skin looks. So form healthy habits like eating a balanced diet, drinking lots of water, and getting plenty of sleep and exercise. Avoid skin-damaging habits like smoking and drinking excess alcohol.